Hey guys, Joe from Cold Springs RV bringing you the new 2019 Sanibel 3702WB. A couple new changes this year. They put a leash catch on for your pets so you can put your pet outside, not have to worry about it. It's tied into the steel so you don't have to worry about it coming loose either. Kind of a nice little feature they added that was kind of cool. You don't have to go inside to open your bottles anymore. You can do it right outside here at the door. Nice big awnings. You got two of them on this model here. Nice finish. It's the new wide body style. You have the solid steps, which are adjustable. And the solid you get on them. But you can adjust these legs down here, and these just lift and go back into the door. Walk around this side here. Nice gel coat finish. Solid. Don't worry about anything there. Dexter Axles on these guys, which Dexter versus Lippert axles. Dexter is the better one. LED lighting for all your side marker lights. Fully walkable roof. No ladder on board just so you can get up there without having to mess with anything. This unit is equipped with 6-point auto leveling. Just hit auto level. When you get to your site, it will set it up for you. You can also set up your hitch height, so when you go to hook up your truck, you're good to go. Feature I like to point out in a lot of rigs, motorhomes, doesn't matter, travel trailers, is your water heater and your furniture on this side of the coach. So if you're sitting under the awning, you're not going to burn your arm on this, and you're not going to hear the water heater as well. This has your one section here for your antifreeze to winterize the coach. Everything's set up here to winterize. You do have your cable and your satellite connection. It is pre-wired for both. Your regular city water connection and your freshwater tank. It does have a battery kill switch on board as well as an outside shower. Plenty of storage in the front here. And the doors are all slam doors. So, close it, it's closed. You don't have to worry about it popping open going down the road. 30-pound LP tanks on either side. We just don't have them in it right now. Nice molded fiberglass cap. They did a nice job on their decals this year. Definitely made it look good. Let's head inside. Just start right back here with the kitchen. This is a rear kitchen model. Plenty of storage. Plenty of cabinet space. Regular microwave. I do like the residential style microwaves over the other ones, the smaller ones. 3-burner cooktop now. This is the new burner cooktop. This is great for cooking bacon, flapjacks, you name it. The new fridges. Your regular fridge area. Crisper drawer and a freezer. All ran by LED lights as well, so it's nice and bright in there. Stainless steel sinks. Again, you get the pull-out sprayer. And have Tom pan around in there a little bit. Plenty of pantry space. Bring plenty of food with you here. Entertainment center. You get the couch right here. Nice viewing area, fireplace. You get the new Furon sound bars. They sound great. They are Bluetooth and they are outside speakers, inside speakers as well. You can hook an HDMI to that as well. Nice big 50-inch TV. And you got your regular dining room area. What's nice about this floor plan is you have your kitchen, your dining room, and your living room. And you're making a lot of space for it. These are recliners here, very comfortable, 2 cup holders, and that's a regular sofa bed right there. As far as hanging storage for your coats, everything's kind of right there for you. Nice and open. Plenty of windows. They're using the new roller shades, the slow rise roller shades. These windows all open so you can get a lot of cross breeze, a lot of air in here. Being that the refrigerator is actually a residential refrigerator, does require an inverter to run going down the road. It's hooked off your vehicle's battery. You're not going to run any problems. It's going to keep everything cold and chilled. It's a nice staircase coming up. I love the staircase coming up here. Going to the bathroom here. Again, nice big shower. You got a seat in here if you want it, but plenty of room to move around. I'm a big guy. Porcelain bowl. Plenty of towel storage here. And they save space by putting slider doors on all this stuff. And there's your slide. So you get some pantry, you get some storage space in here for clothes, shoes. What I do like is this actually flips up out of the way. So if you have to hang long clothing, you're good to go. Get a nice big drawer underneath that as well. Something new this year, a little sitting space. Little couch area here. It's kind of nice. You just want to read a book, relax. Nice big king bed in here. Plenty of light, as you can see. It's all LED lights. Nice big window in here as well, and that does fully open. That makes a nice big window. I'm going to have Tom walk into the walk-in closet, basically. I'll have you pan around the floor plan one more time. Solid surface countertops as well. If you have any more questions or you want to take a look at more of our products, go to www.coldspringsrv.com.